Hello, welcome back to the channel. We're out at CCT.
Hello.
Hello.
Oh, he's got the
What's up, Andrew?
Hey, what's up?
What's going on, buddy? Cleaning it up for Chase?
That's what we're doing. Oh, yeah.
Chase, tell him what this is going to be.
It's going to be the new shop, the new detail shop.
Sweet. Beyond Chester County Transmissions.
I'm excited.
So you get your car worked on, get it fixed up, get your trans overhaul, and you get it detailed when
That's
you're done.
right, a little bit of everything.
What's up, Karen? What's going on? You got that prototype with you.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go check it out.
Yeah, let's go check it out.
Yeah, check it out. All right, so if you guys recall a while back when we did the Mag High-Tech Diff during my gear swap, we had to get some spacer plates made, fabbed up for the rear sway bar because it was hitting that new diff, because that new diff is so much bigger. So we came up with a solution. Andy actually reached out to Brandywine Fabricators. We were talking about it in a previous video where they designed some aluminum blocks that look a lot better than what I have on the Beast right now. So these prototypes will probably end up going on the Beast at some point, and then we're potentially going to put these things into production with some decent hardware and sell them. So Andy's probably going to throw it on his website. Also, in conjunction with throwing that stuff on the website, he's also going to put some RevMax upgrades for your transmission. So if you want to order them through CCT, support the shops that support us, you can order that stuff through Andy. It's coming soon though. But we're going to check out these prototypes that he has right now. What are you doing down there? Retying my shoes?
Well, I mean, you didn't tie it right.
What? How do you not tie your shoe right?
Because your knot should go in the middle, not off to the side. It was like a 3-year-old tied your shoe.
I was in a hurry. I was paranoid. I wanted to get that thing installed before you came down. So I sort of filled them in on this. Wow, they are massive. Wow.
And they have some weight. I mean, this is a solid chunk of aluminum. So what's nice about it is when it's bolted down, you know, you have all the advantages of friction, which is part of fastening. It's not just the bolt itself, it's the friction between the two surfaces. And, you know, you sort of have that when you have a strap, but this is definitely far superior to anything else that I've seen.
Yeah, it's definitely much better.
Serious piece.
From the ones we got from, what is it, Dodge Off-Road or something. Yeah.
You know, and the idea too is, you know, we can custom paint them, whatever color. If you want black, if you want red, green, yellow, pink, you know, whatever color. So we'll see. We'll see. This is just, like I said, this is version 1. I think we might make a few tweaks to it, but what I want to do, Steve, is I want to put them on your truck.
Yeah.
That's what I want to do. I want to put them on your truck and see if everything, you know, works out, if we need to make any tweaks. As far as the diameter of these holes, I wasn't 100% sure what they needed to be because I didn't have a vehicle to go off of, so I just kind of threw a number out there, but we can always just drill them larger if we have to.
That is a much cleaner look than what I have going on now.
Yeah.
So I'm sort of excited for this.
Yeah.
So
that's pretty awesome.
You guys are interested, comment below, let us know what your thoughts are on if you would be interested in something like this if you do have a larger diff. Because there's really nothing on the market besides this one company that has a really, it's crappy. It's crappy.
Yeah, just, you know, it's a poor product. Yeah. Really, all in all. I mean, I hate to say that about somebody else's product, but kind of have to call it like you see it, you know, and unfortunately it's just not that good.
And it's steel, it's not even aluminum. Right. This is a solid block of aluminum.
Yeah, it's no joke.
Yeah,
yeah, the other one was just sheet metal, bent, welded, hollow at that, you know, just not the best. I mean, not like it's not going to do the job as far as spacing, and then that's the main goal. The question is it going to fatigue over time? And really only time will tell, but rather than take that risk, I say just go 110% and
we'll get some decent hardware for it.
Yeah.
We're not going to chintz out on the hardware because we're not chintzing out on this. So
Yeah.
I think that's definitely a much better option for you guys running bigger diffs.
But yeah,
for
definitely some feedback would be awesome because we can, like I said, this is version 1. We can make it however you guys want it to be. So yeah, definitely comment, let us know. Yeah, let us know. And stay tuned. We'll be putting it on the Beast very soon. Awesome. Maybe when we do the thermostatic bypass. Yeah, that would be good. Yeah, that's perfect. Yep. Perfect. Yep. What do you think about that, Heddy?
I like them apples.
All right.
Granny apples, though? I mean, what kind of apples are we talking? I mean, just dem apples?
No. What are the one? Granny Smith, they're the sweet ones, right?
Grannies. Yeah, the
I
Grannies.
like Honeycrisp.
Yeah, no,
Personally.
I like Grannies. I'm a Granny.
Yeah, the green
I favor
ones.
Grannies.
We heard that about you.
Don't go telling everybody now.
Tara's gonna kick your.
Well, that's my nickname for it, Granny.
Oh, you're gonna get your
Now
butt
you are
kicked.
But you better not put that in there.
Oh, it's going in. It's 100%.
That's so funny.
Have fun. I'm going racing. Well, I'm not gonna race. I'm gonna watch a friend race.
So you're outside.
Yeah. Well,
Boston?
we do it legally. We do it legally. All right. See you guys. We're out at Maple Grove Raceway, and unfortunately, our boy Carmen, he didn't qualify, but he's a second alternate, so he might still have a chance to run at some point today. But unfortunately, he said, well, I'll let him tell you about his day so far. Yeah, this is a nice golf cart.
Dawn has it. I don't know where she went. Sorry, that was down. I had tires back there. Oh man, I got a headache right now. So bad.
All right, Carm, tell the viewers what happened.
Well, I'm gonna race now, actually.
Are you?
Yeah.
Sweet.
I'm in as the third alternate. 3 guys broke, so I'm in.
Nice.
Kinda nice. I mean, I don't get
Well-
points. I'm kind of mad about that, but
But you're still having issues though.
yeah. Well, we're just gonna probably just run on motor, maybe a baby shot of nitrous, because the nitrous has been what's giving me the issues today or this week.
So someone new to drag racing, like Heather or some
Are we
viewers.
doing an interview now?
Yeah, why not? This is the way to do it. We're just gonna fly by the seat of our pants. Like, what type of racing do you do anyway? You dial into a certain number, right?
What I run
Or
is
class-wise?
called Top Dragster.
Okay.
And it's a qualifying field. The fastest 32 cars get the race. But yeah, you dial your car off of your qualification runs. So I ran a 678 at 200 miles an hour, and the bump was a 674. So I was 0.03 of a second off.
Isn't that crazy?
And it's
How
nuts.
how
Just
how
how
close
close, but
you
yeah.
can be, but yet so far away.
And I'm the third alternate. I'm not even the first alternate. Last year I was number 32, the last car to get into the field, and the guy below me was 0.02 of a second below me.
Wow.
It's insane, dude.
Yeah.
But freaking cool. And I'm glad you picked this up because you're clearly on the other side of the parking lot.
Yeah. This is super comp going up now. This is the class Phil likes to run.
Okay.
So they're dragsters like mine, but they run 890.
Is he racing today?
No, we don't have this car done. But I'm about ready to pull this motor out and put it in his car and let him run. Because this is getting frustrating.
Dude, it's like a little city back here.
Oh, it's crazy.
Oh, you're back here yet?
No. I'm on the road. I'm just trying to hopefully get back into my parking spot. All right, let's see. What's this chick doing?
Yeah, what you doing, chick? Hi, chick.
Yeah, I was already in here. Don't give me that look.
I'll put you on the news. I'll put you on the news.
All these people blocked me in.
we're back home. Unfortunately, Carmen didn't win that race. That's racing, you know. It was unfortunate, but we had a good time. We had a blast hanging out with them. And, you know, comment below if that's something you guys would like to see again in the future. Maybe we'll go some more races with them and film it. And because I had a hell of a good time just filming it.
It was fun.
Yep. And we're going to let the cat out of the bag on a new supporter of the channel. We have no idea what's in this box, but some of their components are going to be going on our 2019 Ram Rebel 1500. Also in our 2019 Dodge Charger. So let's open this up. See what we got.
Hub said that he was going to open it up because apparently I take too long.
Yes. It like sucks the life out of me trying to get her to open packages. Alright, I'll let her pull everything. I'll do this then.
Alright, thank you, Steve. We are so happy that you have chosen Corsa and joined our family. Inside you'll find catalogs, drink koozies, stickers, and ambassador window decal. Looking forward to many projects and awesome content. Excited to have you and your family, Alex and the Corsa team. Thanks, Alex, and thanks, Corsa. We are so excited to be an ambassador for you guys. We're pumped. How cool is this? Oh, there's more notes in here, guys. Wow, look at all this stuff. These women's shirt sizes are strange. Oh, so cool, V-necks.
Look, key tags.
Oh.
Banner, shop banner. What?
Oh, these t-shirts are soft.
Cozies.
Love it.
Oh.
Very
Dude,
cool.
how cool is that? Seriously, thank you guys. We are looking forward to... Oh, pets.
You guys.
We always need pens. We're going to hide these things.
Our 8-year-old loves stealing pens.
But we're looking forward to putting Corsa's exhaust on our vehicles. We are pumped for it. I'm very excited, cool. Especially being at the track today. I am so excited to...
Very cool. Your ambassador sticker.
Oh, sweet.
Awesome.
They need to give us 3 of those, though, for all 3 vehicles. Oh, we got these. These will go on there. Yeah, definitely.
So cool.
Very cool.
And catalogs.
Sweet. I think we're going to put their cold air intake in the Charger until we get it supercharged.
And this is all stuff that I don't know anything about.
They're all part numbers and stuff like that, so it's cool.
Awesome.
Very awesome. Thank you guys.
Thank you.
Seriously. We're looking forward to representing you.
Love it.
And we're going to have a blast doing it too. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're stopping by for the first time, make sure you smash, tap, do something to that subscribe button. Hit the notification bell. Ding, ding. We love you guys. We'll see you in the next upload.
I know. That was a complete guess. I don't even...